Hello everyone and welcome to the last event happening in 2023, Conf42 Internet of Things. We have many exciting sessions today from security to smart devices and even robotics. Before we jump in, please let me invite you to our Discord server. You can post questions in the hashtag Internet of Things channel. This conf is supported by Unpack.tech, our newsletter partner, and our exceptional media partners. We start big with Vipin Jain, QA head and project delivery manager at Metacube Software, who will be presenting end-to-end testing strategy for IoT systems.
Hello everyone. I want to invite you to my talk, End-to-end Testing Strategy for Embedded or the IoT Systems. Now, as you know, IoT is a combination of hardware, software, firmware, lots of devices, and of course, protocols. When we can test each of them individually, why we need to test them end to end? In my talk, I will talk about how to deconstruct the system in layers for effective testing at each layer. Small automation frameworks can be constructed around them, and then the test plans can be made to involve unit testing, integration, and end-to-end testing. Join my talk and enhance your knowledge. See you there.
Mayank Aggarwal, senior software engineer at CG Infinity, joins us to show you how to accelerate enterprise technology with IoT.
Hi everyone, I am really excited to speak at Conf42 2023 on topic Accelerate Enterprise Technology with IoT, where I'll be discussing how enterprise technology and applications can be integrated with IoT with some live demonstrations. So looking forward to this talk. Please join me and I hope you enjoy it.
In the next session, Samarth Gupta, IoT developer at Think Future Technologies, will showcase communication protocols for IoT systems.
So are you guys excited to learn about the fascinating world of IoT protocols? From the wide wonders of UART and I2C to the wireless magic of Zigbee and LoRaWAN. We will unravel the secret behind these seamless communication protocols. So, are you ready to embark on this tech journey? Let's explore the backbone of Internet of Things together.
We are pleased to have Vishwajeetsingh Desurkar, principal engineer at Simply Smart Technologies. He will present Connecting the Dots, unleash the magic of machine learning in IoT with Ruby.
Today, I'm excited to talk about something cool we discovered while improving our products. We found a way to teach our systems new tricks using something we already used a lot in our systems, that is Ruby. You see, making our system smarter involves math stuff, and Ruby, which we use every day, can help us with that. By exploring this, we have found a way that Ruby can learn to do smart things efficiently, fitting right to the how we want it to be worked. So come along us and explore how using Ruby we can achieve these smart intelligent applications easily.
Coming up next, Youhana Hana, solutions architect at AWS, will guide you through building your smart robot with AWS IoT.
Building and operating autonomous robots requires a diverse team with specialized skills in nested technology domains. AWS robotics solution make it easier for robotics developer to build smart and easy to operate autonomous robots through integration with AWS services such as Amazon SageMaker, Amazon Kinesis Video Stream, and Fleet Hub. In this session, you will learn how to leverage AWS robotics solution to securely and reliably connect your robots to emerging technologies such as machine learning, video streaming, data analytics, and fleet monitoring. Thank you for joining in.
Please join me in welcoming Susie Su, architect at Signify, Philips Lighting. She'll be delving deep into the intersection of AI and IoT.
Hello everyone, I'm Susie. See you again. Today's main topic is IoT. I'm so very excited to be here because it's one of my strengths. We will dive into the intersection between AI and IoT for today's session. I'm really looking forward to our talk, and I hope you all enjoy today's conference. See you later.
In the next talk, Swapnil Shinde, contributor at OWASP, will teach you how to leverage blockchain for secure and immutable firmware updates.
Please join me for my talk on leveraging blockchain for secure and immutable updates, in which I'll be talking about how you can leverage the power of blockchain to replace the centralized server in your OTA firmware distribution architecture. Plus, at the end, I'll be giving a short demonstration on the personal project I've been working for this solution. And looking forward to this talk. Hope you all enjoy this conference. Thank you.
In the next talk, Swapnil Shinde, contributor at OWASP, will teach you how to leverage blockchain for secure and immutable firmware.
In today's session, we are going to have a look at a live demonstration of how adversaries are able to intercept your request of steganography. Like basically, steganography is the art of embedding data behind media files. And people, why do people use it? Basically, it is to keep your confidential data safe from any unauthorized third-party access. Now, suppose you are sending a confidential data that is containing some bank details or username or passwords of any server that is pretty much confidential, and you don't want any unauthorized third party to gain access to it. So what you do is, this is just one of the ways of keeping your confidential data safe.
Dr. Anubha Jain, the director at School of Computer Science and IT at IIS University, will address Green IoT, transforming the world for sustainability and smart living.
Have you ever imagined a world wherein devices would be talking to each other? And this communication between devices will have a huge impact on environment? Hello, I'm Dr. Anubha Jain from Pink City of India, Jaipur. In my talk, I'll be talking about green technologies which are needed for IoT to become greener and more sustainable for our future generations to come. The essence of humanity, consciousness, and green technologies are fundamental to sustainability. So join me in my talk. See you there. Thank you.
In the next session, Olivier Bierlaire, the founder at Carbonifier, will show you that your cloud emits CO2 and what you can do about it.
You don't own physical servers and have all your infrastructure in the cloud. You might be surprised to learn that the cloud is now emitting more CO2 than the civil aviation. But there is a good news. You have a superpower. You can reduce it. I will show you why your company should bother about it, how you can measure the carbon footprint of your infrastructure, and how you can actively reduce it and cut down the carbon emissions of your infrastructure.
In the next shared lecture, Madhumita Mantri and Suvodeep Pyne from Star3 will make you discover troubleshooting real-time business metrics with Star3 Third Eye.
Hi everyone, I'm very excited about this talk along with my colleague at the conference on the topic troubleshooting real-time business metrics. I will be covering some of the challenges and solutions, and my colleague will be giving a walkthrough of a real-life use case and a tool how to solve these challenges. So this talk is going to be really fun and interesting, and you will learn a lot, so you don't want to miss. So just tune in, and I'm really looking forward to the conference.
Hey everyone, my name is Suvodeep. My colleague Madhumita and I are here to share Star3 Third Eye. If you're spending a lot of time worrying about whether your metrics and systems are working correctly, if you're spending even more time figuring out what is causing these problems or how do you troubleshoot and where do you even start, this talk is for you. And see you folks at Conf42.
Tim Spann from Cloudera and David Kjerrumgaard from Stream Native are here to present the next session, using Flippin Stack for Edge AI, Flink, NiFi, and Pulsar.
If you want to utilize AI models on your IoT data, you won't want to miss my talk, using the Flippin Stack for Edge AI. Please join my colleague Tim Spann and me as we demonstrate how to combine Apache Flink, Apache Pulsar, and Apache NiFi to deploy AI models to the edge. I'm really looking forward to this talk and hope that you enjoy the conference.
For the last super exciting session, let's welcome warmly Tadeh Hakopian, Program Manager at Energy Vault. He's here to talk about the next phase of IoT, information and visualization with digital twins.
Did you ever want to know about digital twins? How they work, how they're put together, and the different modes of visualization they can create, like 3D and VR? Well, if you want to learn more or are just curious, then come to my talk, The Next Phase of IoT, Information and Visualization with Digital Twins, at Conf42 Internet of Things 2023. I'll see you there.
This is all we've got for you at Conf42 Internet of Things 2023. As always, FreeRSVP gives you instant access to the VOD website and the full playlist. The talks will premiere right after this video ends. Please look up the schedule on the event website. You can use our Discord server and the live chat to ask questions in real time. We hope you enjoyed the experience and learned something new. That was Mark, thank you so much, and I see you at the next conf in 2024. Cheers!